Alright, let me explain a few things here. I just had to throw this on really quick. Ooh. God. Achoo! Achoo! Alright, I'll explain things here. I'm using that stuff that Susanna gave to me, and it's really working. I mean, you might not know it, but it's actually working. It's clearing up things, but makes me sneeze. I don't know. See, and if you also notice, there used to be something here. It's gone. I don't know how many people pay attention to the show, but there was something here. And I will give a free pizza to anyone who can tell me what it was. I know there was jackets on it, but there was something underneath it. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna get tissue here. Yes, this is how it gets up here in the Northeast, but this is pretty much helping. I was a human service major. I don't really like to take any kinds of things, you know, unless they're like natural, stuff like that. I'm having audio problems too. You see, the other day, yesterday, or 2 days ago, I couldn't figure out what was going on. I really couldn't, and it baffled me. And so I started to say it was a conspiracy. But then I looked over at everyone else that was having problems with putting up YouTube videos. See, with me, after I hit the recorder, it goes over to a section where, you know, I put a name on it, and then I upload it, and then I send it in, and it has that same thing that we see. I mean, like, if you go to YouTube, you hit share, you hit the face button, share button. Alright, I'm sorry, this stuff is really letting loose a lot of stuff here in my nose, and the weather has just been like in the 50s here, chilly. I don't know, I suffer the worst in the beginning of November, more than any other month. It usually gets better. It's just the adjustment. You know, it's the adjustment for me doing all the workouts, for me enjoying the summer and stuff like that. You know, when I was in California, I never had any kind of problems with my sinuses. So maybe that's my type of climate. It's just the climate up here. You know, if you want to live here up here in the Northeast, you're going to have to deal with the elements, you know, the nature's elements. And how am I doing here? I'm driving like Anderson Cooper. Anyway, we're in the eye of the storm here. It's a blown show. Because what I want to do is I want to get this audio in. I want to stay 444. I'm up to 3 minutes and 33 seconds here. Obviously, people are not going to watch videos longer than 3 minutes. Right now, I'm way over that mark. So, boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Well, all I know is I gotta go get the coffee, and I'll be back. And the hairspray is starting to make my hair stick. Look at this wing.